You're watching Republic TV. I'm Crispino Nunes. Now, the Indian Army is well prepared and equipped with modern defense systems to avert any kind of infiltration or terror bid from Pakistan. Now, Republic TV brings you a special report from the line of control, where the men in uniform go beyond their call of duty to protect Indian citizens. Take a look.
Nation first, no compromise has been the essence of Republic. And in our pursuit to bring you stories of national interest, we are on the western border of the country. We are in Poonch, which has witnessed ceasefire violations and terrorism infiltration bids by Pakistan. If we talk about ceasefire violations, before the agreement on 25th of February this year, already 590 ceasefire violations attempts were done by Pakistan. And if we talk about last 3 years, more than 11,000 ceasefire violation incidents have already occurred. And this area has been the victim of ceasefire violation by Pakistan. The Indian Army continues to guard the border with high morale and motivation. Though the agreement has been reached, but there is no impact on the alertness of our defense forces. They are alert, they are prepared, and we will also show you how the Indian Army has been thwarting the infiltration attempts by Pakistan terror groups. While we are in the comforts of our homes, these brave soldiers are guarding the borders day and night, each day, all weather conditions. And to show you how these brave soldiers are guarding us, protecting the borders, we have come to the LOC with real-time drills, counter-terrorism drills in the Poonch sector. And this forward location, we are moving in from this fighting bunker with these soldiers who are on a counter-terrorism monitoring drill with 6 rifles in hands, high motivation. And these are the places we are walking in the trench from where we can see the Pakistani bunkers, the Pakistani posts. And not only this is the place where across the LOC, there are more than 24 Pakistan terror launch pads, from where we have seen often how these terrorists are concentrating and are always trying to get inside India. But the Indian Army and these soldiers, they have multi-layered anti-infiltration grid which is protecting the nation. There have been several incidents where Indian Army has thwarted these infiltration attempts across the LOC. Though the ceasefire violation agreement was made in the month of February, but the alertness, the preparedness has not been lowered. The guards are not being lowered because Pakistan cannot be trusted. And we've seen how the whole area has been used by the terrorists in their attempts to infiltrate across the LOC. And these brave soldiers have been guarding the borders. They have been thwarting all attempts of infiltration. If we talk about the infiltration numbers, in last 3 years, there have been more than 1,500 incidents of infiltration attempts across the LOC in Jammu and Kashmir. And most of them have been thwarted by the army. But still, there are terror launch pads just a few meters away from where we are standing right now at the LOC. And these soldiers, they are guarding the borders and they are thwarting each and every infiltration attempt. We show you how these rocket launchers, 6 or AK-47 rifles are being used by the Indian soldiers to thwart any kind of infiltration attempt, and also to give a befitting reply in case the ceasefire is violated. Though after the month of February, the ceasefire violation incidents have gone down, but still the alertness and preparedness remains the same because Pakistan cannot be trusted. Not only this, if we talk about how prepared is the army for the drone attacks that we have been witnessing since last few days, in this particular location, the officials have told us that they are well prepared and they have drone jamming systems which they are using in case any kind of drone is seen in this area of operation of this particular boundary. Since the abrogation of Article 370 in Jammu and Kashmir, there is unrest across the border because there has been a significant increase in the terror activities which have been thwarted again and again by the Indian Defence Forces. We know that Prime Minister Modi and his government wants to restore democracy in Jammu and Kashmir, but this is actually creating discomfort among the terror groups. And that is how what we see behind me are the terror launch pads from where the terrorists funded by Pakistan try to infiltrate again and again. But to thwart these accelerated attempts of infiltration, the Indian Army has enhanced its multi-layered anti-infiltration grid, and most of the times it is thwarted on the spot by the Indian Army. And those terrorists who by any chance have succeeded in entering India are neutralized by the forces. The number of terrorists being neutralized has increased significantly in last few months. And this effort by the defense forces shall continue until peace totally returns to Jammu and Kashmir. This is Shivani Sharma reporting from Poonch LOC with video journalist Parvez and Gaurav for Republic TV.
भारत माता की जय, 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 भारत माता की जय.